Hey guys, Magic Animal here, and I am really bored, so this video is just a random video. That's so weird when they have tarantulas and there's just like this big line. I'm like, when I first saw that, I'm like, what is that? But this Thanksgiving break has been really boring. I actually rather be at school than here. This has been really boring. It has, oh, I want my red Santa hat back. Probably gonna say, no, you traded it. I would trade her for that. This, and a rare one. Or this, rare one, and what's another really rare thing? And the rare spooky top hat. Because I really want a rare Santa, not a rare, a red Santa hat. She traded me these and a rare beard for it, and I really liked it because when I got it, yes, I have a polar bear. It was exactly like this, except it was the color red that my deer was, and it was a lot cuter than gray, and like it matched my deer, and it was a lot cuter. Here, I will go to the video and show you. Okay, whoa, that's not supposed to be covering it up. The love is not supposed to be covered up. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with it? V, it's just V. Okay. Here, I'll show you. Blah, 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 blah. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. Hold on, let me mute AJ. See, it was so adorable. Bum, bum, bum. Goodness, I'm so quiet, you can barely hear me. It's all the way up. My computer's all the way up, and you can barely hear me. That's just awful. I hope you can hear me in this video. Yeah. Okay. Okay, whatever, just go on. Go on. See, it was so adorable. Wait, hold on. Wait. Oh, see, I'm so adorable. Whatever. Just show my polar bear. I need to see it. Oh, there it is. It's so cute. No! I don't even know how to play that game. It's just so weird. Happy Thanksgiving, like I was saying. No, you were not saying that. No, look. No, stop it. Whoa, where's my ducky with my polar bear? There's something else getting too bad. Not my lines. I need my reindeer, Thank you, dear. See, it was so cute. They're like twins. No! Stop trying to butter me. See? Like twins. Look, it's like the same color red. It was. Let me see if you can. It was so cute. Get a Santa hat. Okay. Yeah, that's what it looked like, and I thought it was adorable. So yeah. Oopsie, no. That's why I really want my red hat back, my red Santa hat back. So if you have a red Santa hat, please give it to me, please. I will trade you anything you want off of my trade. So just please, I'm not joking, whatever you want. So if you have it, either send it to me and be like, I don't want it, I don't care. Just, okay, or just trade it. Please, I really want it. I really, really, really want it. Back. Well, from this person, I want it back. But from you guys, I want it. Oh, you, me. So, yeah. Anyway, I've got to be more loud in my videos. You could barely hear me. That was just awful. Okay. Okay, so. Oh, wow. I don't know why I just said, oh, wow. I'm really stupid sometimes. Okay, this is so cool. Fun, right? Wait, what? Animal itself or what? 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 Huh? What did you say? Yeah. Oh yeah, and like you can't buy Santa hats. I heard that you can get them in Avengers though, but like I wonder if you can only get them in Avengers by like doing during Christmas time. I thought you could get them from Christmas Adventures, but my friend, well not, my buddy on AJ said that there isn't any Christmas Adventures, so. Well, I wasn't here during Christmas, so I didn't know that, so don't get mad at me. And go. Okay, let's just go somewhere else then. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, yeah, and yeah, they said, but what I was wondering is like you could only get them from Adventures during Christmas time. Sorry, my sister was coming in. Okay, so now I'm at my den and I am going to do the tiger glitch. Sorry, I had to shut my door. And where's the person that's doing it? She's not here. Where is she? Hold on, let me go get her. Let's do it again. I gonna record it. Okay, so I am here with my buddy, oh wait, stop moving. Starry Night 22, and so I'm gonna unbuddy her. Okay, bye. Go to the ocean, any ocean, lock my den, and this only works with tigers. And hold on, it's coming. Don't worry, she'll be here. Don't worry. Where is she? Where is she? Oh wait, no, lock. Wait, hold on, I messed up. Oh no, I messed up. Oh no, I didn't. See, there she is. That's her. It's a tiger glitch. Starry Night 22. See the tiger. So yeah, it only works with tigers. That's why it's called the tiger glitch. So yeah. I just thought I would show you guys it. And I still want my red Santa hat from, oh, the person buddied me that yeah. Oh, wait, you don't know what I'm talking about, sorry. Okay, it's this person, 423. 4, 2, 3, 8, 1. Do do boom. Do. So fun. So yeah, it's just doing that. I don't know. I don't get it. Like why it does that, but it does. But anyway, so yeah, thank you Starry Night 22 for doing that with me. And yeah, if you like move around like this, then it will face forward. See, you can kind of see how she face forwards. But otherwise, you're just backwards and doing boom, squat, squat, squat. The buttons don't work. Oh, the buttons don't work if you like do actions, like pose. Oh, and I showed you when I got the video, oopsie, when I got the polar bear, like what it, oh, and it doesn't show your eyes in the water. I showed you what the actions were above water, but now I'm going to show you what they are underwater. So this is just swimming, woo! And yeah, you have no eyes, it's really sad. And I don't have any ocean stuff. I used to have ocean stuff, but since I would never go in the ocean, I recycled my dolphin. And since, yeah, I never go here, and I recycled all my underwater items. And I used to have one of those dens that were like, there's a sinking ship den and like the other underwater den, and it's like blue. I forgot what it's called. Wait, hon. BRB. I will go find it. Okay. My tooth really hurts. Okay. It was, I think it's down here. Whoa, there's a sail. Whoa, this is new. This is new. That's new. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I had this. I used to have that. So, yeah. Anyway. And I like recycled that. But this is what the actions are. Anyway, this is what the actions are. How on earth did you do that? It is the tiger glitch. She did it with me. I hope it's a she. Might have been a he, but I hope it's a she. It probably is. It's she. So you do. This is what they pose. How they pose. It's really weird. Dance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Polar bears are such ballerinas. I don't get it. Swirl. Just a normal swirl. Dive. Kind of like a normal dive, except us, like humans, us humans, yeah, we, we, like, don't dive, but, yeah, we, like, go back up like that, and then this is how they play. They make bubbles. It's like one big bubble, and then whatcha! I make bubbles. Okay, so bye guys. Like and subscribe and comment down below. Anything? Oh come on, yes you do. All I know is that you need a tiger for it. Well, please, if you have a red Santa hat, please trade me anything for it or send me it. Like, just don't trade, send me it and Jam